As per our Bitcoin money cost expectation, the cost of BCH is anticipated to drop by $6.02 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $216.94 by September 25, 2023. Assuming you explicitly are looking for Bitcoin money market conjecture, examination, or cost expectation, you most likely need to know where the cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, may go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments, or so they in a real sense thought. This value expectation is pointed toward noting the greater part of commonly your inquiries. Will Bitcoin money, BCH, recover its all-time high? What will Bitcoin money be exceptionally worth 1 month from now? Is presently the ideal opportunity to purchase Bitcoin money? Most certainly. Is Bitcoin money right now giving bullish or negative indications? In this Bitcoin money cost expectation conjecture, we will process different BCH specialized pointers to foresee the cost of Bitcoin money in an unpretentious manner for the most part. Bitcoin money financial backers have encountered returns of more than 18.35% on their venture this sort of past week, certainly because of the bullish period BCH by and large has encountered. In the wake of dissecting the specialized markers for BCH, we expect a slight revision could occur over the course of the following couple of days. Beneath you can basically see the Bitcoin money hourly, day-to-day, week after week and month-to-month cost expectations. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what Bitcoin money will be somewhat worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the sort of the following week, and 1 month from now in a significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, verifiable cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money really is $222.96, and it for the most part is right now in every practical sense position number 17 out of all digital currencies. How much stockpile at present available for use for Bitcoin money is 19,507,625, with a very all-out market capitalization of $4,350,071,062 in an unobtrusive manner. In the exact beyond 24 hours, the cost of Bitcoin money has expanded by 5.08%. Bitcoin money generally has developed at an especially consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 18.35% in a significant way. This increment in every practical sense has Bitcoin money financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they have made for this present week, which is very critical. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 30 days, the cost of BCH expanded by 18.68%, adding $35.09 to its past worth of $187.87, and pushing the market capitalization to $4,350,071,062. Assuming you truly are considering purchasing Bitcoin money today, you ought to especially hold on until another bear market to put resources into BCH. Bitcoin money cost has expanded by 109.07% in the truly beyond 90 days, adding $116.32 to its past worth of $106.65. Our Bitcoin money market figures in every practical sense are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which dissect different specialized pointers. For example, the really relative strength list, RSI, moving genuinely normal assembly dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, extremely normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation market gauge. The crypto market is known to, in a real sense, be profoundly unstable. Foreseeing future costs of Bitcoin money is a troublesome errand, and numerous really different variables impact the value, which is genuinely critical. Accordingly, the forecasts on our sites ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to, in a real sense, do your genuinely own examination. Counsel actually your monetary consultant prior to pursuing any speculation choices. Bitcoin money, BCH, value forecast 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Bitcoin money will accomplish a most extreme cost of $401.33, As the market basically starts to recuperate explicitly, the base expected cost is $267.56, and the essentially normal cost will for the most part drift around $334.44 in an especially huge manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH Value Expectation 2024. As Bitcoin Money keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Bitcoin Money can accomplish a greatest cost of $624.30, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $557.41 in an especially significant manner. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the fundamentally least value BCH can reach in 2024 is $490.52. Bitcoin Money, BCH Value Forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we sort of anticipate that Bitcoin Money should explicitly see great development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could reach a sort of high as $847.26, averaging around $780.37. Bitcoin Money could see a base cost of $713.48. Bitcoin Money, BCH Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded development of essentially capital in the crypto market, Bitcoin Money could arrive at a most extreme cost of $1,070.22 in 2026, with a typical cost of $1,003.33. If an auction happens, the in every practical sense least cost expected in our expectation sits at $936.44, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Money, BCH Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of BCH by nations all over the planet, Bitcoin Money can guarantee a greatest cost of $1,293.18 by 2027, with a typical cost of $1,226.30 anticipated, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, the base cost for that very year could for the most part see $1,159.41, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Money, BCH Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, Bitcoin Money reception will sort of keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is staying put. Financial backers could sort of see BCH arriving at a most extreme cost of $1,516.15 by 2028 in every practical sense, trailed by a base cost of $1,382.37. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to by and large be $1,449.26, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Money, BCH Value Expectation 2029. Out of 2029, because of the development over the very most recent 5 years, we will see another significant bull, and that implies that Bitcoin Money financial backers might see BCH